Have you ever stared at a cloud and seen a familiar animal, or noticed a face staring back at you from a car's headlights and grille? What if I told you this isn't just your imagination, but a fundamental way your brain is wired? And today, we'll uncover the incredible neurological reasons why our minds relentlessly seek patterns, even in the most random chaos. And the answer goes deeper than curiosity. It touches our evaluation, survival, creativity, and even the technology shaping our future. Hello everyone, I am Tatiana and welcome to Infinite Gist. And today, we'll talk about our brains. Why our brains seek patterns in chaos. Let's begin with the primal drive. Survival through pattern recognition. Imagine our earliest ancestors living on the plains. Their survival depended on spotting signs in the environment. A shift in the wind might mean a common storm. The rustle of grass could mean prey or predator. The shape of certain plants might mark which were safe to eat and which were poisons. Those who could recognize patterns lived. Those who couldn't, didn't. Over time, evolution hatched this ability into our brains. Pattern recognition became hardwired, so much so that today, even in modern life, our brains continue searching for order, even when none exists. This is where things get fascinating. Our brains are prediction machines. Every second, billions of neurons fire, trying to make sense of uncommon sensory data. Vision, sound, touch, memory, all of it is filtered through networks designed to find meaning. The result? We often see things that aren't really there. A phenomenon known as Pareidolia. That's why you see animals in clouds, or faces in the shadows of the night. To the brain, it's better to find a pattern that isn't real than to miss one that could mean danger. It's a survival bias. False positives are annoying, and false negatives could be fatal. But this drive didn't just protect us. It became the foundation for our creativity. Look at ancient cave paintings. The shapes in cave walls may have resembled animals, inspiring humans to sketch bison, deer, and mammoths. Stars scattered across the night sky became constellations woven into myths and stories. The random chaos of nature was given order through art, through story, through imagination. Our brains sought patterns not only to survive, but to create meaning. This ability to extract order from noise shaped culture, religion, and science itself. Fast forward to today, and this same wiring influences the modern world. Think about the stock market. Investors search for patterns in the chaotic rise and fall of numbers. Gamblers see streaks where none exist. We find meaning in coincidences, connecting dots that may not be connected at all. Sometimes this leads to progress. Scientific discoveries often begin with someone noticing a strange pattern, but sometimes it leads to illusions, superstitions, conspiracy theories, or false conclusions. Our greatest strengths can also be our greatest blind spot. Neuroscientists have even mapped how this works. The brain's visual cortex, temporal lobes, and frontal ridges collaborate to filter signals and assign meaning. When we are deprived of sensory input, like in isolation tanks, the brain still generates patterns, hallucinations, born from its refusal to accept chaos. In other words, your mind must find order, even if it has to invent it. And here is the twist. The same wiring that once helped us spot predators in the grass now powers the very technology changing our world. Artificial intelligence. AI systems, especially neural networks, are built to do what we do best: recognize patterns. From faces in a crowd to diseases and scans, from language to climate predictions, AI is essentially our brain's evolutionary gift replicated in silicon. It's humanity teaching machines to do the one thing we mastered first: make sense of chaos. So the next time you see a dragon in the clouds or a smiley face on the front of a car, don't dismiss it. It's your brain's ancient wiring at work, the same wiring that saved your ancestors, created civilizations, inspired myths, and gave rise to science. We are, in essence, creatures of patterns. We don't just live in the world, we decode it, we shaped it, and sometimes we even imagine it into existence. Every face you see in a shadow, every constellation traced across the stars, every melody pulled from noise, they're all echoes of an ancient survival skill, transformed in the foundation of human imagination. So I'll leave you with this. Are the patterns we see in the world really there? Or do we create them? And does it matter? Because without our drive to seek order and chaos, we wouldn't just misunderstand the world. We wouldn't have built it. If you found this journey into the mind fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone curious about the mysteries of the human brain. And tell me in the comments, what's the strangest pattern you've ever seen in chaos?